Hi guys, welcome to COVID-19 wedding guideline. This is Smita and I have been successfully organizing wedding for last 11 to 12 years. I must say this is the toughest and this is the hard time of all. There are a lot of things going on like cancellations, precautions, safety measures, and these things make planning a bit difficult. But we are successfully organizing weddings during COVID-19 also, and we have organized lot of weddings during COVID-19. And not only that, we are getting lot of appreciation. We receive lot of thank you messages from our client, from our guest, to organize the wedding, which is not only the safest but also a memorable one for their guests. Different ways to organize wedding during COVID-19, or we can say what are the kind of weddings we can have during COVID-19. When there had been complete lockdown, that time couple got married in virtual presence of their family, their friends, on Zoom, Skype, FB Live, Insta Live, through video conferencing. And such weddings we called as virtual wedding or digital weddings or online weddings. And there must be an organizer or the person who is taking care of all the settings, all the features on these applications. Now, even with all restrictions and lockdown in place, we are allowed to organize the weddings in different venues. Couples are getting married and they are planning their upcoming wedding with limited number of guests. The weddings with very limited number of guests, just close friends and family, we can call it as an intimate weddings, or we can say it micro weddings. For example, maximum 50 guests are allowed across India till new guidelines will come. But there are many families, many couples who do not want to compromise on their guest list. They do not want to reduce number of people in their guest list. They want to invite each and everyone. They want to celebrate their wedding festivities in presence of all their relatives, all their friends, same as they planned initially. Here comes the concept of shift wedding. And shift wedding can be organized in two ways. First one is we can extend our wedding festivities for the whole day. So in that way we can invite a group of people in during lunch and during dinner separately. In this way we can keep the same venue, same team of vendors, same organizers. And another option to host shift wedding is to have multiple celebrations and to call different groups in each event. This can be extended to 2 days, 3 days, and we can enjoy number of events through this kind of shift wedding. Now moving forward, either we are planning intimate wedding or shift wedding, the first priority is to finalize the venue. If you have enough spacious home that can accommodate around 50 people, then there is no better venue. You can have control on each and every aspect of wedding, and you don't need to worry about the about hygiene, about sanitization, because management would be all yours. Though home is the best option. Second, if you don't have such a spacious home, then you can hire any private bungalow, villa, any farmhouse, private farm. You can buy out the property and then you can organize the wedding like you are organizing at your home only. Third option is if you are living in a society and you have a clubhouse there, then this is also the best option. We can organize wedding in any community hall, in any clubhouse, and we can have our own vendors, own security, own safety measures, and we can maintain all the hygiene and safety standards there also. Now the last option is, which is very common, and I know many of us has already been finalized, the hotels and banquet hall. But if you have booked the hotels or banquet hall, or if you are looking forward to for the banquet hall booking, then please cross check certain things with your venue to avoid overcrowding and ensuring physical distancing between attendees. We should opt for a larger venue for wedding and for all other events. Open air venue with well spacious seating plan is preferred, which is important to have proper ventilation, fresh air, and maintaining social distancing among guests. But if you have already booked indoor venue or you are going to book indoor venue, then ventilation and proper seating plan, spacious seating plan is mandatory.